We got a bit of a late start today, but we are walking up to see the THURWASSERFÄLLE. This is in the Toggenburg area of Switzerland in Alt St. Johann. It's supposed to be really short, about 700 meters, so 10 minutes up to the waterfall, which means 10 minutes back. Maybe spend a little more time at the waterfalls themselves, going up the stairs and seeing all of them, but the waterfalls itself, I would consider it a walk, not a hike. But there are lots of other hikes that you could tack onto it, which would be a lot of fun. Nice little grill area. And there are lots of rocks if you want to throw rocks in the river. Seems like there are sections where people have walked down before where it's pretty calm and you could probably swim. It's not too rough anywhere except for right at the base of the big falls.
Who sleep apart, most of pine, hillside spines, moon sleep shouts, and most of foes now shush. She makes the sound she makes to calm me down.
So we saw the big falls at the bottom. Now we're gonna go up top and see what we can find. There's a set of stairs right here before you go up the bridge. So, bridge, you go back and see the big falls. Follow the stairs up, and they keep going. Going, going. You have a kid in a carrier, your husband is tall, or you are tall, take a step.
To pose now sure. She makes the sound sing and calm down. She makes the sound she makes. I'm tired now. Oh.